A tale letting go of a past relationship. One evening, Leah was talking to the moon. The moon was beautiful and wise. She helped Leah understand the meaning of a past relationship, to take from it what was meant to be kept, and to leave behind what belonged to the past. Leah, how do I let go of something that has died, yet keep the love and gratitude? Moon, I don't think it happens through sheer effort. It happens when a very quiet phrase gradually arises within you. Thank you for showing me through you what oneness is. Now I stop seeking oneness only in you, because it turned out to be greater than the two of us. It is as if your psyche is saying, you don't need to linger by the grave of the one garden that once bloomed. You can take something with you, not a withered flower, but the ability to grow gardens. Leah, he was the person beside whom the floodgates opened. Imagine a river held back by a dam for years. When it is opened for the first time, the torrent is incredible. Moon, that isn't because the first bank is special. It is because the water had been waiting too long. He didn't create the love. He was simply the place where it first became safe to open the sluice gates. Leah, I want to let him go with gratitude as the object of that oneness. Moon, in all likelihood, he isn't the object of that oneness, but rather the first witness to the fact that this love exists within you. An object is something a feeling is directed towards. A witness is someone who sees its birth. Leah, true, I thank him for being the one with whom the currents of my love were unleashed, and that doesn't mean love was only possible with him, or that the love belonged to him. It is my love. I thank him as the first key to the doors of my soul, and I let him go with gratitude. Moon, that is good. You are no longer stripping him of his significance, yet you do not surrender the source of your love to him. He is important and self-sufficient as an individual, free to live his own life and make his own choices. You have both become keys to one another. Leah, thank you. Being with you allowed me to discover this side of myself for the first time. Now I know this love did not remain in the past. It is my very way of being. Moon, I hear that you are beginning to experience not the loss of love, but its welcoming and its return home. Leah sat beneath the moon's celestial veil, weeping softly. She grieved, and tears streamed down the dress that shimmered in the night. Strangely, amidst this grief, Leah began to experience an all-encompassing bliss. It was as if being itself were speaking. See how beautiful it is, for I am everything. Grief within bliss and bliss within grief. Do not divide me. I live and feel through you. It is I who flow as love and tears. as grief and joy. Do not hold me back. Become my instrument of manifestation. Through you and as you, I live.